Look at these two.
Look at these three. What are you talking
Look
about?
at these three.
Three.
Hey yo.
That's the magic
And the four.
number.
And the four. and the four. No, she's the four. She is Miss Cutie. She is Cutie with the booty. What do we got going on here, man? We got drones.
Here, do you want this back?
Don't we?
I'm over here messing with settings. Yeah, I'm kind of.
We got the alien anal probe, right? We got the Source One HD, which we haven't named yet. We should name it. What should we name it, B?
I don't know, dude. That's
We gotta give it a name, dude. Cannot have a not
Source
name.
One is the one that you just put the tune on.
No, that's the anal
That's
probe.
Butter Baby, right?
Yeah, that's Butter Baby.
Butter Baby.
That's it?
Yeah.
Should we call her Butter Baby?
Butter Baby.
I like it. Butter Baby.
Who was that fighter with Butterbean?
Butterbean. Yeah, dude, you
After
Butterbean
Butterbean.
was a head knocker,
Let's call
bro.
it Butterbean.
Butterbean.
There
I
you
like
go.
it. All right, we're gonna call it Butterbean. All right, what do you got going on here? What's
Just-
happening with all this?
Just diatone Roma, old Roma. It's that
Ooh.
analog with my little skull print provided by my friend Connor Skyline.
Hey,
Games.
yer.
And I've been using it for a long time now.
Yeah, all right, and look at all these GoPros, man. We are GoPro
Yeah.
king fanatic of
Bit
GoPros.
low end GoPros, but lots of
Hey,
GoPros.
man, we send whatever we got.
Yeah, we send it.
And Clint's about to like go. Whee! Skibidi-wee! Oh my gosh, what a beautiful day, man.
It's gorgeous.
I know.
The weather is beautiful.
Beautiful. All right, let's. Wait, are you doing a fast punch out, bro? Huh? Should I do a slow motion capture of the fast punch out? Hold on one sec. Gentlemen, I'm gonna switch this over to slow-mo.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, from Louisville, Kentucky, wearing black tie, Mr. Cassius Marcellus Clay. His classic poem, I Am the Greatest.
This kid's got a left. This kid's got a right. If he hits you once, you're asleep for the night. This kid fights great. He's got speed and endurance. But if you sign to fight him, increase your insurance. I am the greatest.
I told you, I'm the real champion.
I am the greatest.
The greatest of all time.
As you lie on the floor, all the ref counts 10. Pray that you won't have to fight me again. He is the greatest.
The greatest of all time.
This brash young boxer is something to see. And the heavyweight championship is his destiny.
I'm gonna float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. You can't hit what you can't see. Float like a butterfly and sting like a bee. I'm gonna float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. You can't hit what you can't see. Float like a butterfly and sting like a bee.
I have wrestled with an alligator. I done tussled with a whale. I done handcuffed lightning, throw thunder in jail. That's bad.
When I say two,
That's never third.
when I say three, don't bet against me. I'm a man of my word.
The man's in trouble. I'ma show you. I know you got it fixed, but the man's in trouble. I'ma show you how great I am. I'ma show you. I'ma show you. I'ma show you how great I am. How great I am.
This brash young boxer is something to see. And the heavyweight championship is his destiny.
I'm gonna float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. You can't hit what you can't see. Float like a butterfly and sting like a bee. I'm gonna float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. You can't hit what you can't see. Float like a butterfly and sting like a bee.
Wait till you see Muhammad Ali. I told you, I'm the real champion. I'm the champion of all. All of it all. All of not cricket call.
I am the greatest.
I can back up every word, and I whoop any man in the world, and I want everybody out there on TV to know it. I am the greatest.
metal from the trash. Hell yeah. Everybody needs some hardcore fuck